Hi, this is Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I wanted to talk about the third way to cast on for toe-up socks. It's called the Turkish Cast On, and the Turkish Cast On does not require using your tail to make the stitches. So leaving a 6 or 8 inch tail is plenty. Then we need to do a slip knot. Then we place the slip knot on the top needle. Tighten up your slip knot. And then I'm going to begin wrapping. And I have, the pattern calls for 10 stitches on each needle. So since this cast on is, I only need half the number of stitches because each wrap will consist of 2 stitches. I'd start wrapping. I have my slip knot on there and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you see that my working yarn is coming up and over that needle, and that's perfectly the way it should be. And we're going to begin knitting across these 10 stitches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're done with those 10 stitches, and we're going to move our needles into position to do the other side. Now you'll notice on here, if you count, there's 3, 6, 9, 10, which means we are not using the slip knot for a stitch. So I took the needle that I had already been working with and slid it up on the cord just to give myself more room to scooch the next needle into position. Now I want to take that slip knot that I had and scoot it off the needle. Now I'll remove that slip knot, and I'm going to continue knitting on the second side here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I've completed one complete round using the Turkish cast on method for toe-up socks.